You know, I've been working on this Virago for a couple weeks now, I think. Maybe a week and a half, something like that. It is Friday and I don't remember, you know. And she's looking great. She's running well, but she's loud. And I thought it was something to do with this front pipe. So last night, I very firmly broke off one of the studs, but that's okay. The stud's still there and I can get it out, and I've got a bolt on the way. That's pretty easy fix. But that wasn't it. This bike is loud. Not because of timing and not because of, you know, some weird issue where, you know, it's just loud, you know. And look how nice that is. That color looks great. Man, this thing cleaned up great. I've gone through the whole thing. It's a beautiful machine, although it's jumping in the air right now. It's trying to be a dirt bike. This bike is loud, and I want to show you guys why it was loud. Here's the second fuel tank, by the way. That gets covered up with plastic. But here's the rear exhaust, and it kind of goes back there. And as you can see a little bit, it goes down underneath. Let's go underneath. This also has this really cool center kickstand right here, by the way. But here's the main kickstand. Let's look under here. Oh, look, there's the exhaust. Oh man, it is shiny. Look at that. It is reflective. I like that. Let's put down this kickstand real quick and find out why this bike is loud. Oh, it actually has to go up. Sorry. So we follow this pipe. We follow this pipe. Wait. Is that a new muffler? I mean, is that supposed to be? I mean, there's the tailpipe and the muffler assembly, and they don't join together on this bike, and it's loud right here. It's very loud because it's straight piped straight out of the piston into this. I get my finger in there. I don't even have good lights. But look at this. It's all the way through the pipe. I just wanted to be authentic with you guys. I run across these bikes and see stuff like this, and it just blows my mind. Now, it kind of looks like maybe it rusted, but it also kind of looks like there was a clamp right here. And I don't know if there's a piece missing or if this was supposed to clamp this to that, but neither one of these pipes. Oh, that one does move. Look at that. I'm betting you someone either had a problem and tried to clamp it with a little short clamp. But I just don't know. It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. So I'm going to fix it because that's what I do. I'm the adventure nerd, and I don't let bikes like this get sold when they're busted up or weird like that. But I just want to show you guys how clean I got this thing. This thing is clean even in places people don't look, you know. I haven't done that side. That side's next to clean. But this side, look at this. It's just clean. I mean, look at the reflections. It's not even polished yet. Look at the fins. This thing is amazing. And it's going to be a beautiful bike for someone. I can't wait to finish it up. I gotta clean that. Finish it up and sell it. But I bet you this thing rides great too. It's shaft driven. You can see there how well I've cleaned up that. And I've started cleaning the rims, as you can tell here. But it's going to be an amazing bike. And I know this is a rare view that, you know, people who work on bikes don't really give you, you know, this sort of under looking up at this big scary bike. But yeah, that's the loud noise. I have spent 6 days trying everything to figure out why it was loud, only to find this today. But I guess that makes for a good weekend because I don't have to think it's a timing issue, which is fantastic. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll start doing more videos. Put in comments what you guys want to see. I've got several bikes we're working on. I've got a crazy gold wing project. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Y'all have a great one. To be continued.